So hi everyone. In this question, what this question is saying that an object of height 4 centimeter is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter from the pole of a diverging mirror. Clear? If the focal length of the mirror is 10 centimeter, then the height of the image formed. So they have already mentioned that it is a diverging mirror. So it is a convex mirror like this. Clear? Like this. And this is the principal axis. If we draw, this is the principal axis. This is your pole. Okay, object is placed, which is having the height 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. So whatever information is given in the problem, just please note down and if possible draw the diagram. Okay, it is capped at a distance of 30 centimeter like this. 30 centimeter. If the focal length of the mirror is 10 centimeter, focal length will be this side. This is center of curvature. So here F will be, in case of convex mirror, will be 10 centimeter. How will you decide like it is plus minus? So see, just draw the incident ray towards the reflecting surface like this. Okay. Now how will you find where is our focus? Focus is here. Distance between the pole and the focus is known as focal length. So you are going to measure all the distances from the pole. Now, how will you measure the focal length? You will go in the right. In the right. It means you are doing measurement of focal length in the direction of incident ray. In the direction of incident ray. This is the direction of incident ray. Okay. You are going right, like in the right. Okay. Then it will be positive. All the measurement which we are doing from the pole in the opposite direction of incident ray, that will be negative. Okay. This is our incident ray. Clear? So always do like that. Only if you follow the steps, then it is easy to solve. Clear? So actually what they are asking, they have mentioned like focal length is given height of image. Now M will be what? Tell me. The image in your mind, like I think you have read all the image that is formed by the convex mirror, that is virtual, erect. Okay, it is not real inverted first of all. So magnification comes out to be positive. Why? Because when image is erect, it is not inverted, then hi is positive, ho is positive. Clear? So magnification comes out to be positive. So m will be what? Hi by ho minus v by u. Clear? Now height of object is given. Height of image we have to found. Okay, minus v by u. U is minus 30. And this is equal to hi we need to calculate. Ho is above principal axis, so it is 4. Clear? And remember one thing like the magnification in case of it is positive, I know, but it is not more than 1. The image size is always less than the object size in case of convex mirror. Clear? That's why you can capture the entire big size building into the small convex mirror. Okay. Now here, if you need to find for finding the hi, you need v, and this is only you need a v. Clear? So apply this formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So f is how much? 10. We need to find v. U is how much? U is minus 30. Okay. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 30. So v comes out to be, if you solve this equation, v comes out to be 10 into 30 divided by 30 plus 10, 40. So it will be 30 by 4. Let it be. Okay. No need to solve. 30 by 4. Okay. So comes out to you, what is the answer? V is 30 by 4. Okay. Downside minus 30. Hi by h 4. Clear? So when you all these will be cancelled out. So final answer will be how much? Height of image comes out to be positive 1 centimeter. That's what I told. Height comes out to be positive 1 centimeter. I hope this is clear. So simply magnification is what? You can check. Still, HI is how much? 1. HO is 4. So it is less than 1. That's what I told. Positive it will be, but it is less than 1 always. Clear? So in case of convex mirror, image will be a virtual, erect, and diminish. That's the characteristic of image. Thank you so much. I hope this doubt is clear. Thank you.